Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am going to be doing an unboxing tonight of a ThredUp name brand handbag box. I don't do a ton of the name brand handbag box because it seems like you always get, in the past I've gotten items that were kind of meh, not salvageable really, but in the last 3 months I've gotten some better ones, so I've ordered more of them. So anyway, if you don't know, my name is Stephanie. I'm an eBay reseller. By day, I do marketing for a software company, but I sell part-time on eBay as my little side gig, and I've been doing it for a long time. I absolutely love it. It's my, it's just my fun thing to do. Some people have, watch TV or movies, and I love selling on eBay when I have spare time. I love sourcing, and I love selling. And I also love doing these videos, so thank you to all of you who are watching. I really love that. It's so nice of you to tune in. All right, I am going to, this is, you will not believe the size of this box. Look at this, is the big one. It sounds, something's shaking around in there. So it's a pretty heavy one, and I don't know. I always think, ooh, the heavier the better. I don't know if that's true. Okay, so here's what I'm hoping for in this box. I'm hoping for a Tory Burch, of course. And you know what? Outside of that, it's just such a crapshoot. You don't know what you're going to get in these, but it's supposed to be higher end purses, not designer ones like, Gucci or anything. I wish. I wish. But you get more like, you get Kate Spade, and you get Michael Kors, and you Mark by Marc Jacobs. I think I've even gotten Coach bags in this name brand handbag box. So as you probably know, they are $100 plus shipping and tax. So they come to about, I don't know, $120. And you get 4 full-size bags and 1 accessory. So if you average it out, it's about $25 each cost, something like that. Okay, let's see. Here we go. This thing's right on top. Mixed name brand handbag rescue box. Yep, that's what we got. All right, here is the box. It's really heavy. That doesn't tell you anything at all, does it? Okay, here we go. There's the box. That is the sneak preview, and I'm going to move this over here so that I have more space. Okay, there we go. All right, what do we have first? Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay, this is a Rebecca Minkoff. I have to say, this is a really nice one. I love the bottom. It's Saffiano leather. It's kind of a cream color, and it's this cute chain and leather handle. Oh my goodness. Do I get my hopes up? Do I dare? Do I dare get my hopes up on this? It's super cute. I'm wondering what the inside is like. Oh, the inside looks pretty good too. Can you see that? So, is it the handles? That's the problem. Okay, I don't know why it's in here. There's some little bit of cracking here, like close up, you can see it. But for the most part, I am really loving this bag. I almost have to keep this. It's so gorgeous. That is a really good start. That is a really good start to this unboxing. Okay. Oh, I assume this is the accessory. Oh my heavens. Oh my God, look at this. It's so gorgeous. It's a little, I don't know what you would call this. This is so cute. Like, this goes in here. Does that work? Yeah, it does work. Oh my gosh. It's a little swing pack. Just a little, you can carry along with ya. Great for concerts and such things. You can clip it on to your belt loop or whatever, or you can just hold on to it. That is super cute. It looks vintagey to me. There's the inside. It's not dirty or anything. There's just a little bit of wear to it, not much. It's really gorgeous. It's the canvas with Dooney and Bourke. That leather they have is just gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. So it's the canvas with their gorgeous leather. And I'm going to just go like this and show you how cute this looks. Let's see if I can make it work. There you go. Okay. Look at that. So cute. My gosh. Oh, 2 down, 3 to go. All right, this is lovely looking. Oh my gosh. Okay. I must say the second favorite brand I like to get in these is Dooney and Bourke, and it does not disappoint. It does not disappoint. Look at this. Oh my gosh. All right, once again, I know I say this all the time. I know I say this all the time. I maybe have to keep this one. This is so gorgeous. Look at this. It's kind of a, it's got the handles, the two, handles. And then it's also got the longer handle that you can remove. And then I don't see, okay, look, okay. The leather's a little off color right there, but okay, I don't see anything wrong with it. The inside, I'm trying to see if there's, like, here's the inside, and I don't see any big staining in there. I don't see anything. I mean, I think there might be, let me just use my, I mean, there's some discoloration, but not much. Oh, can you believe it? There's the Dooney and Bourke logo. Oh, this leather, though. This leather. Oh, my gosh. This is so gorgeous. Okay, I already love this. No matter what I get after this, I'm already loving this. I'm loving it. Okay, that was the third item. What is next? Let's see. Okay, ooh, Kate Spade. It's a good Kate Spade. It's a really good, it's the Croco leather kind of, let's see. Brown Croco leather. Absolutely gorgeous. Don't see anything wrong with it offhand. I think I might have seen a pen ink stain inside of it. Look at the bottom. That tells you a pretty good story, which is it hasn't been used much. And then the inside is this beige satin lining, and there are some ink stains in there. This side does not have any stains, and then there's 3 sections. This one might have a little. I might be able to get all those ink stains out. I'm just going to show you so you can see them. Can you see down in there? So there are ink stains. That is not the worst thing I've ever seen. That is by far a lot better than some of the other ones I've gotten. So pretty happy with that one. Pretty happy. One left. And that is this. This was what was making the rattling sounds in the bottom of the box. And this is a Michael Kors. It's gorgeous. It's Michael Kors leather, of course. Michael Kors leather is gorgeous. Not as gorgeous as Dooney and Bourke, if you ask me, but some people would disagree with me. Here's the reason this is in here, I do believe, and that is some of the kind of like the finish on the leather has gotten has some wear. You can see it around here. But that's the back of it. The front of it does not seem to have that same problem. I don't see that on the front. So the front of it's in really good condition. And the inside is in really good condition. It's not dirty at all. So there's that. There's that. Yeah, that's not so bad. That's the only thing wrong with it is that wear to the back side of it. So I don't know. Okay, so I've got the Michael Kors. Very, very nice one. We've got the Kate Spade kind of Croco embossed look. Super cute. I can try to get those ink stains out. I will try. The gorgeous Dooney and Bourke. Oh my heavens. This was probably $350 new. It's just gorgeous. The accessory, which is this cute little bag. And then a pretty, gosh darn nice Rebecca Minkoff. So, super happy with this one. Super happy with this one. If you're interested in buying any of these bags, just send me an email to mysteffstyle@gmail.com. Shipping will be $8 for as many of them as you care to buy. So, thank you so much and have a great day.